Welcome to the M300 RTK tutorials. In this video, we will introduce how to use the M300 RTK to perform smart pin and track. When used with Zenmuse's H20 series camera, the M300 RTK can provide powerful smart pin, smart track, and location sharing functions to meet the demands in industry applications. Open the DJI Pilot app. Set camera mode to zoom. Tap the gimbal track icon on the top left of the screen to enable smart pin and track. At this moment, the camera will recognize objects in the frame and mark them. Tap Recognize Target to start tracking. During tracking, camera will automatically zoom, so the subject will be kept in the middle of the frame for optimal view. When you need to follow any person or object in addition to the target, drag a box and select on the screen, and the aircraft will recognize it and start to track immediately. During Smart Track, the aircraft will keep hovering. Distance between the subject and the aircraft is displayed in the app in real time, and the real-time location information of the subject will also be displayed. You can also fly manually to keep tracking. Double-tap the screen to recenter the subject to the middle of the frame and focus on. Tap the zooming box to zoom in or out and quickly position your target. Tap the RNG icon on the top left of the screen, and target information such as height, distance from the aircraft, and GPS coordinates will be displayed on screen in real time. Using Smart Track and Pin and RNG, you can obtain real-time location for your target on the map, but you can also create a pinpoint by tapping the corresponding icon to record real-time location. The pinpoint can be dragged around on the map for marking. And all these locations can be shared among different camera views and dual remote controllers in real time. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.